Hi everyone, welcome back to Insert Data. Today is day 15 of 45 days DAX challenge. In this video, I'm going to discuss distinct count DAX function in Power BI. So if you are here for the first time, so don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe to the channel. Please be with me till end of this video. Please be with me till end of the 45 days DAX challenge. You will have clear understanding of each and every function which I am going to discuss. Fine. So without any further delay, let's jump to Power BI desktop and see distinct count function in action. I'll copy this dataset into the description box. You can download and practice by yourself, and you can comment your answer into the comment section. So before I start, I'll explain you the table. So here I have taken one sales table, okay, and totally we have three columns: order ID, customer name and product. So what is the task? Here task is we have to find how many customers are there. How many unique customers are there? So what distinct count does it? If I tell you the definition, so distinct count, it returns the number of unique values in a column. For example, let's say if you want to find out how many unique customers are there in a sales table, so using distinct count we can calculate. So for this one we have total 3, where Alice is 1, Bob is 2, again Alice is repeating, so count is still 2, okay, and Charlie is 3, again Bob is repeating, so count will be only 3. So total 3 customers we have. And for product, let's say pen is 1, pencil is 2, notebook is 3, so count is 3. Pen again repeating, so count is still 3, and again the next product is eraser, so count will increase to 4. So for customer we have total 3 unique customers, and for product totally we have 4 products. Fine. So let's calculate using distinct count. So what I'll do is I'll create one new measure, and the measure name, let's say I'll say total count equal to distinct count. We have one function, okay, distinct count. I want to count how many customers, unique customers name are there. So if I drag this into this card, see totally we have 3 customers as I explained you. For let's say if you want to calculate for product, so answer will be 4. See, answer will be 4. Fine. I hope this is clear. Still, if you have any doubt, don't hesitate to comment your doubt into the comment section. I'll look into it. We will meet tomorrow with some important DAX function. Till then, take care and bye.